Hey everyone, in this video we're going to talk about using Envato Elements in Capcut. In order to do so, we are first starting off here in elements.envato.com, and up at the top in the menu you can find the video templates option here, and if you hover your mouse over it you're going to see a variety of options here. However, Capcut does not show up in the list there. Let's go ahead and select all video templates. That's going to bring us to this page here that we're on, and if you scroll down a little bit further you will see here it says application supported, and again we have After Effects, Premiere Pro, Apple Motion, Final Cut Pro, and DaVinci Resolve. However, Capcut does not show up in this list. After doing some research, I have been able to confirm that at the moment Envato Elements does in fact not work in Capcut. So that is the answer to that question. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe for more helpful tips.